Okay, hello, and welcome back to another video. And today we will be playing Exploding Kittens, which is basically a card game. Now, I wish I had some of these because some of them are really good, like Jesus or the Raptor.
Hello. There might be a kitten on top.
Now, I want to get this guy to do the funny theme tune, right?
Gigi.
No.
There might be a kitten on top. OMG. Hello. Clever girl. I'm feeling lucky. Good luck. Hello.
No.
You didn't say the magic word. Hello.
No, give me the right one.
You didn't say the magic word.
Give me the right one, please. Give me the right one, please.
Good luck.
Yeah, please.
Gigi.
No, seriously, please.
I'm nervous.
Yeah, should be.
There might be a kitten on top.
Wait, what?
I'm nervous.
Tell me.
Gigi.
No, tell me.
I'm nervous.
Give me your favorite song.
Gigi.
Your favorite song.
Gigi.
No,
I'm feeling lucky.
no.
There might be a kitten on top. Hello. I'm nervous.
Eventually.
You didn't say the magic word.
There it is. Worst singing and bacon.
Yo, no.
Right, let's play. Who we playing with? Who we gotta play with? This game is not a free game. It costs £1.69 on Android. So, yeah. So you can't get it for free. Just as a heads up, if you want to get it. But it's a good game. So let's get started. Nope.
You.
Why do I have to go first? Oh,
1, 2, 3,
really? Really? Well, let's... Jeez, that's loud. Give me a card, please. Give me a card. Thank you. I'll use this. I'm a scared little baby. Ah! Ha!
I fear nothing. Hello.
Kyle's turn. Oh man, wow. So funny. Hey! Ben's ammo. Fine, I'll give you a little baby card, little baby. Ha! Right, that's 1, 2, 3 kittens.
1, 2, 3 kittens.
Yeah, fine.
Potato.
Really? Potato, toe. Love that card. It's got to be my favorite. Ooh. Oh. Hey! Oh, wow. Wow. Yeah, he's dead.
Holy smokes.
Yeah, holy smokes.
Hello. Holy smokes. I'm so scared.
Yeah, okay. Right, hopefully this is not an exploding kitten. Hey, take it out. Tattoo disconnected. I've only ever won any of these games once, so don't blame me if I don't win. I have got a stiff nose. I've got a stuffed nose. Blocked nose, whatever you want to call it.
It's your turn.
But still, I've got one. Single slap, hell yeah. Oh, oh, you got the pew pew with justice. You got the pew pew plan of cat justice. Hey! No. I'm the only one. Oh, wait, no. Me and Catalyst are the only ones with a diffuse, which is this one here. Let's smack someone. I need it now. Okay. I'm gonna take a nap.
It's your turn.
What? Oh, come on. Nom. Okay, let's put it on the bottom, because I want a card.
Your turn.
Really? Get lost.
Potato.
Wow. Really? Wow. I'm dead.
It's your turn.
Oh, get lost. Punk. Hey.
Pew pew.
Pew pew. Wicka 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 wow. That's my best impression of the Wicka Wicka cat. I want the car cat. Come on, hurry up and take your go. Flag is offensive. Yes. Cookie. Ah, he's dead. Lol. I'm gonna die. Hey. 2 more kittens.
Your turn.
It's my turn. Let's go. Let's pick a card.
It's your turn.
Let's. Oh. Well, I'm dead. Well, there we go. Game over. I'm dead. Wow. Well, let's leave the game. Well, at least I got into the top 3. So that's pretty good. Okay, come on. Who we playing with? Come on. Wait, what? Does that say waiting for more enchiladas? What the hell? Oh, oh, it's Jesus. This guy's funny. Hello, Jesus. The power of me compels you. God, Jesus, let's hear some speaking.
Your turn.
Uh.
Hello.
Oh, I got the bunny raptor. That's pretty good. Daniel. GGFC.
Good luck.
Good luck, everybody. Good luck.
Your turn.
Let's go backwards.
One, two, three kittens.
Yeah, please. If he takes it. Really? Why me? Oh, yeah, here you go. Sure. I didn't like that. Why did it have to be me? What did I do? What did I do to Jesus to make him hate me so much?
Holy smokes! Gosh darn it!
Ah! Jesus is a baby. Really? Weak leg. Potato. Wow. No. No. Get lost. Please? 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 Fine. Why did it have to be me? Ha! Slap commas.
Your turn.
Well, let's have a go. Ah! Kid Banjo. Ooh. Oh. I like that card. Maybe. Oh, yes, pig. Call upon the pigacorn. 1, 2, 3 kittens. Oh, who's gonna get the kitten?
Your turn.
Not me. Please. Please, not me. Bunny raptor. The chance of kitten meter is going to static. Don't know why. Oh, rainbow Ralphing cat. Ooh. Oh. Can I slap Jesus? 1, 2, 3 kittens. I want to slap Jesus in the face. Potato, toe. Yeah, I bet you the kitten's on top. That's why he's gone for the steal a card. Hey, got my one.
You.
Let's go.
You. Your turn.
Oh, I'm gonna die now. Watch. Well, there's me dead. Yeah. Yeah. No. Okay. That was the first one to die. We'll see who wins this.
Everything's gonna be okay.
Clearly not for me. Hey, lol.
Nom 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 nom.
Why did I have to be the first one to die? Why me? Why me? Just why me? Please tell me why. What did I do wrong? Why me? Yeah, let's just see how this game ends. And then we will end the video.
Pew pew.
Pew pew. Pew pew. Somebody's gonna die tonight. Hey! Hey! He's dead. Hey! Hey! Oh, so funny. LOL! And there he goes. Dead. Who's next? I bet you JTFC is going to die. Oh no, I think it's Daniel. Hey! Oh, you're dead. Face it. You're dead. Oh no, it's Danielle who's gonna die. Well, you're gonna die, Danielle. Or is it JTFC? Yeah, you still got 3 turns left. Oh, you still... No, you don't. You don't forgive him at all. Most attacked was JTFC, Diffuse Expert, Commerce, and Card Collector was Billy. Danielle wins. Well, we're going to wrap it up there. See you in the next video. This is me, or people know as Pixelated Devil, the new channel name. And yeah, there you go. Yeah, well, not much to say now, is there really? Just that the video's going, and we'll see you all in the next video, which will probably be Pocket Trains. But I said that in the last video, and it wasn't Pocket Trains. So, promise you, it is Pocket Trains this time. Okay? Yeah, sure. Okay. Well, see you in the next video. Bye-bye.